Good morning, everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything about my skincare routine, what I do, what I put on my skin, basically everything that goes on my skin. And yeah, this was super highly requested for a lot of years. I appreciate that. You guys always ask me that, and that makes me confident in that. So here you go. Hey cuties! Okay, so I grab a claw clip or a scrunchie, get my hair out of my face. So basically the only thing I wash my face with is water and this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser for all skin types. It is a miracle for me. It is unscented. It is so just light, but it does feel like it cleanses it and it doesn't burn. It's just super gentle as it says. I used to in the past use this Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser and it really irritated my skin. And if it doesn't do it for you, then try another one or try a different brand. Just find what your skin loves, and my skin hates the oily skin cleanser but loves the gentle one. And the fact that I can buy this at Walmart or pretty much any drugstore for under $20, girl! Okay, now for the actual skin process. So I literally just splash water on my face, get it nice and moisturized or hydrated or whatever, and then use the Cetaphil. I keep it light and I don't use a lot of products on my skin. I just try to be as gentle as possible while rubbing the Cetaphil in. I feel like this is an important one. I have my own face cloth that's just for my face and not hands or other people's skin or hands. It's just for my face, and it's not dirty. It's just previous makeup stains and tan stains. It's nothing special. It's just soft. I don't rub my skin dry. I pat it dry, and then this is the under eye cream I'm currently using. I switch it up, so I don't really have a favorite, but this is the Origins Ginseng. I got this at Sephora. It's a little bit more pricier, but it's really good, but I switch it up with eye creams, so this isn't one that I use all the time. Honestly, people ask me all the time how I do things with nails. I can do pretty much everything with nails, but get skincare out, like sometimes the long nails really suck with little bottles like this. Pretty basic. I just rub it into my under eyes and on top of my eyes, or not my eyeballs, but you know. And then the last step is moisturizer. I do switch this up as well, but lately this year I've been loving Jeffree Star Skin. Pretty much every single moisturizer he has is what I've been using on my skin, and it's so good for me. I do have dry skin, so it really soaks in the moisture and keeps it in for hours, and also my makeup applies really good when I do this. Also, nothing is sponsored. This is just what I do. And this is what my skin looks like before I do my skincare, and this is what it looks like after. So literally after I wash my face, these are the only two things I put on my face, is an eye cream and a moisturizer, and it's doing good for me so far. I also put a nourishing lip balm on. I ripped off the packaging on this one, but it's the Burt's Bees SPF one. I think it is really important that you guys remember that I do have facial fillers. I'm not trying to fool anyone or be like, oh, I just got this from putting on moisturizer. No, I do have fillers. I have lip fillers, some cheek fillers, and under eye fillers as well. So I'm not trying to say that I'm perfect or anything. Don't get blinded by some people that are like, oh, I just got this from waking up. I think everyone says this in a skincare video, but try not to touch your face a lot. Your hands are dirty and you don't want to put that shit on your face, so just try to avoid touching your face as much as possible. Something really important that I feel like a lot of people just overlook, or they hear it a bunch and they're like, oh, whatever, is your skin craves water. Drinking water will really help your skin. I personally love water, so this isn't an issue for me, but your skin wants it, so if you want good skin, drink water. And I'm not about to sit here and say, eat these foods or don't eat these foods, because I'm not a dermatologist or a dietitian or anything, so I'm not even gonna go there. Something not so good for my skin is I go in a tanning bed. It really isn't the greatest for your skin, but I do listen to the professionals for how long I should go, and I do bring a special face cloth to cover my face for the majority of the time to protect my skin against the UVs. It's just something I do. I'm not trying to hide it, but I'm not trying to promote it and say, hey, do this, because it's not the best for your skin. But it's not the worst thing, but it's not the best. So the other thing that I put on my face daily is this Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Jennifer Aniston is always promoting this and she has flawless skin, so I'm like, why not? And I've been loving it ever since. It really works wonders for my skin. It's so clean and fresh and light. I really don't use a lot of products on my skin. I keep it really simple. I do the eye cream and moisturizer morning and night washing my face, but in between that, if I do feel like my skin's dry from tanning or just from taking off my makeup or something like that, I don't know, then I'll throw this Aveeno on, and I do put it on all over my body as well. By the way, these are the makeup remover wipes wipes that are my favorite. I don't use them all the time, but most of the time. Very, very important, your bed sheets, your blankets, your pillowcases. I wash them every week or every 2 weeks. When your pillow starts getting these little brown spots on them, don't even trip or front. Yours do too, so wash it. Just wash your stuff. If you're getting breakouts or if you're starting to itch your skin, maybe change your bedding or wash your bedding. And I also throw my little face cloth in with this and wash them all at once. Clean bed, clean skin. So sometimes I do face masks occasionally. I wouldn't say they're part of my routine. It's just something that I do sometimes. I love, love, love the Lush ones and sometimes a cheap one from Walmart. Okay, so I also take these. I don't know if these really do a whole lot, but they could have something to do with my skin. These are Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails, not sponsored. I take these for my hair, skin, and nails. That's the only other thing. I'm gonna take one right now. They're gummy. I have one left. I literally have to get a new thing of these. They're really good. They have biotin in them, which is really good for your pretty features and make hair grow faster, skin, stuff like that. So I do try to take one of these once a day. Last but not least, wash your dirty makeup brushes. If you are getting breakouts or red spots or struggle with acne, a very good tip is washing your face, stuff that you put on your face, not just your hands or your towels or your bedding, but your makeup brushes as well. I mean, you're getting bacteria in there, putting it on your face, dunking it into other products, putting it again on your face, letting that fester. So just give it a deep clean every once in a while. I'm gonna be honest, I give my brushes a deep clean maybe 3 to 4 months, but you shouldn't do that, but whatever. At least I do it. And I just use baby shampoo. Honestly, I get it at Dollarama. Old makeup sits in makeup brushes and gets really deep down in there and can build up, and it can make your makeup application also look splotchy or not even, or not make the products that you're using shine through in the way that they should. So starting with a fresh, clean slate can really help. A tip that I have for washing makeup brushes is angle them down as much as possible, because the warm water can seep into the bristles and the glue and it can loosen them up and you can lose bristles. And don't be so vigorous with them. I use the ridges in my hands and my fingers and I just scrub. My beauty blender looks like this before. I do have beauty blender cleanser that I have at Sephora. It's not needed, but I just really like it. It gets my beauty blender clean. And I have this beauty blender cleaner pad type thing. It has ridges in it and it really, really scrubs it. You can see what it looks like after. It's a miracle worker, honestly. Clean what you're putting on your skin and you'll have clean skin. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helped in some way or give you some kind of tip, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Be kind to another.